And we're back to learning Affinity in here, day 67. Let me show you the tier tool. You can find it right here where all of the shape tools are. Should be somewhere at the bottom. When you've got it selected, you can see 3 adjustment options. Curve is right here, the bend of the line, so from the top to around the center. Tape position is for the position of the top, so you can move that with this slider on the x-axis. And the bend, this is kind of like a curve right here for the initial line, so you can give that an S shape. But if you actually want to change the curve down here of the bigger body at the bottom, you need to check the box for fixed ball size. And then the ball size, this is it. So it's a little bit hidden here. I believe by default the box is unchecked. So if you want to adjust it, check the box too, and then adjust the ball size. And this way you can use the tier tool in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.